Hello, welcome to my kitchen friends. Today I will show you my kitchen things and increase your vocabulary of kitchen items. So don't go anywhere. Welcome to Kids Education channel. Do like and subscribe my channel. Stove, stove, oven, oven, kettle, kettle, sandwich maker, sandwich maker, toaster, toaster, tea set, tea set, blender, blender, water set, water set, cutlery set, cutlery set, pot, pot, bread basket, bread basket, canister, canister, dish tray, dish tray, meat grinder, meat grinder, grater, grater, colanders, colanders, whisk, whisk, rolling pin, rolling pin, pastry boat, pastry boat, microwave, microwave, tea strainer, tea strainer, knife, knife, frying pan, frying pan, wok, wok, spatula, spatula, ladle, ladle, skimmer, skimmer, tongs, tongs, potato masher, potato masher, saucepan, saucepan, pressure cooker, pressure cooker, squeezer, squeezer, cutting board, cutting board. Thanks for watching.